In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel on Slack. Whether you're organizing a team project or setting up a space for ongoing discussions, creating a dedicated Slack channel can greatly enhance collaboration. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Slack window. This area contains a multitude of features, but for our purposes, we're focusing on the Channels heading. Once you locate it, you'll notice a small plus sign, which signifies the option to add something new. Clicking on this plus sign opens up possibilities. With the drop-down menu now visible, you'll see an option to create a channel. Go ahead and select it. At this point, a new window pops up to guide you through the setup process. This is where we'll get a bit more hands-on. You'll start by entering a name for your channel. It's best to choose a concise, lowercase name that clearly indicates the channel's focus. Slack will automatically prepend a hashtag, so there's no need to worry about formatting that part. For instance, if you're starting a channel for a website launch project, a name like #project_website_launch would be apt. Next, you have the option to add a brief description. Although this step is optional, providing a description can be incredibly helpful for anyone who might stumble upon your channel in the future. A few words about the channel's purpose can make all the difference in ensuring that everyone's on the same page. Now, onto a crucial decision. Choosing the privacy settings for your channel. You have two distinct options here. A public channel is recommended if transparency is a priority. This setting allows anyone within your workspace to find, view, and join the channel, fostering open communication and collaboration. On the other hand, if the discussions you'll be having are confidential or intended for a select group of individuals, opting for a private channel may be the way to go. You'll recognize these private channels by their lock icon. This setting ensures that only people who are explicitly invited can see and join the channel. Once you've settled on a privacy option that suits your needs, you're ready to proceed. To finalize your new channel, simply click the Create button. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've just created a dedicated space for focused conversations and can now start inviting team members to join the collaboration. As you begin using your new channel, remember that being clear and concise in your communications will help maintain efficiency and productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.